Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Very nice snag on the first there, Swoley. How's it going? Ambi, hello. Welcome in. Um, yeah, so I saw this game. Also, okay, hold on. I'll roll back a bit. Hold on. So I'm back. I'm off my hiatus. January is over. It is now February. Um, I did not do any work on the stream in January. So things are more or less the same until I start working on them, which should be soon. Um what else is there? My brain's not working. I'm doing a programming game today. This is going to be amazing. Um so yeah, I saw this game. This is literally what the store page looks like. That's kind of funny. Called The Joy of Programming, where you just do little programming challenges but you use actual Python code. Oh, yeah, no, this is not. No, it's, are you kidding me? Yeah. I have my webcam strapped to my. Oh, I got a Cricut. Oh man, that's awesome. I giant whiteboard. Yeah, no, this is this is just a thing. Um, oh yeah, sim taxes. Yeah. Oh my god. I think I drew the line at. I mean, PC Builder Simulator is kind of uh all hail Kells Badu Grand Poobah, long may they reign. for a single for a single hex coin. Amazing. Hello, welcome in, welcome in. Oh no, sorry, I had the traditional Kelzaba, hello. um I think where I drew the line, and I'm borderline not sure if I'm ever gonna pick it up, is 3D printer simulator where you actually have to maintain a virtual 3D printer and you have to like sell things and make more money in order to upkeep your printer. I'm like, this is a little bit too real, and also why? But anyway, um I'm back from my hiatus. I'm gonna be planning more streams. Tuesday night Resident Evil 5 co-op streams are back starting next week. Um I'm gonna be having a couple other games that I'm gonna be trying to finish up this month. One of them is Pikmin 3. Another one is The Case of the Golden Idol. Because I realized I picked up the DLC a while back and I just haven't gotten around to finishing that up. Um, what else was there? There's a couple. Oh, and there's a couple other games coming out this month. One being Pacific Drive, where you're like driving across this weird, horrific landscape in a station wagon. You have to upgrade. I don't have 3D printing in my. Yeah, you're right. No, you're true. RE0 cosplay 12-hour hitless speedrun stream. I mean, I'll make that a sub goal. No, I'm not gonna make that a sub goal. Are you kidding me? Um, yeah, I'll be the antagonist, the one with the. Do you have white hair? No, I don't know. um, yeah, Pacific Drive. You soup up a station wagon and you drive across a hellscape. The other one is Nightingale, which I think is being released to the public on February 22nd. They're both releasing February 22nd. So I'm going to figure out which game to play first, but that's about it. Oh, there's Captain. Anyway, I saw this game. Looked neat. A good chance to practice some Python code. So here I am, and I'm going to click and play the game. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let's just get rid of that music. Just in case it's copyrighted. I don't think it is. But just in case. All right. Start typing at least 2 letters in the code editor. So this is actual Python. Actual factual Python. This isn't. This is. What the hell is this? Oh. So I'm given environment and tools and stuff to work with. And I gotta do stuff. And with WASD. Okay, so let's rotate, zoom, click the delivery container. Ah, so we got the class name and method. I'm going to use all the incorrect terms today because I don't remember. Shift click to copy code from tooltip. Oh, okay. Deliver. Okay, so this explains how it works. Open door. Close door. Okay. Oh, so I can just click it and it does it. I see. Set target speed. 5. We'll see how this stream goes. Close door. I mean, it's automation. Literally. I don't know. Earn a first star. Hooray. Achievement unlocked. What I saw what was really neat was you can unlock different aspects of programming, like being able to write classes. Click machine 3D view to learn about their sensors, actuators. Okay. The code window. This tutorial code is already complete. Oh. From Python Joy programming module. Okay. Import all. Sim environment. Connect to it. Okay. Conveyor belt equals conveyor belt. Oh, I've also added channel point redemption called JOP name a variable. I'll just collect them over the course of the stream and I'll start using them as I see them. Wyra, hello. Okay, let's see. Set the speed of the conveyor belt. Okay. Read the code and try to see that it will repeat the steps you exceeded manually in the in the first tutorial. It's perfectly fine if you do not understand all the details yet. Run the code once you're ready. Yeah, this is exactly what we just did. Cool. Avari, hello. Also, it does show line of oh wait, no it doesn't. Oh yes it does. I don't know why it pauses when I'm looking at this, but okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, so that's just showing that that's how the code interface works, I guess. Okay. What's next? The conveyor belt. Print hello world. Infamous hello world program in Python. Prints hello world onto the screen. That's it. Sorry. Redefine. So this actually teaches you Python. Interesting. This might actually be a good teaching tool. Vote function. Little string. Yeah, this is actually pretty good. And that's all you need to know. Okay. Change the code to set the conveyor's target speed to greater than 0. Okay, so how about 10? Nope, that's not what I want. Set it to 10. It's fine. Oh, max is 5, I guess. Actually, hold on. It didn't print Hello World, did it? Print it to the screen? Okay. Oh, 4 loops. Okay, I'm gonna skip that video. Try the time control buttons in the lower right corner. Oh, super fast, slow down. Reset the, there we go. Open the perks menu. Oh, okay, so you get research, you get points. You can respec. That's great. For loop. Let's get that. If conditionals. Ooh, lists. Lists are fun. Advanced operations. Ooh. Dictionary. Tuples. Dang. Yield. Oh, more than 10 lines of code. Yeah, we want to get fancy with it. Okay. I know none of this will make any sense. Yeah, list. Why not? Do. That's it. We'll save it for now. Okay, so we got a nice tire fire going. Oh, it's a literal tire fire. Great, I love it. We got a nice burn some stuff. Add one line of Python code within the for loop to start the conveyor belt. All the conveyor belts to move along the spawn boxes along the conveyor belt. Okay. Go to the code. Okay, it connects the universe. All conveyor belts. Find all of them. For every conveyor belt and all conveyor belts. So this is gonna get all list collection. Oh, okay, it's a list. Okay, list of all of them. Print the name of each conveyor belt, and then we want to have this conveyor belt that's currently looking at. Set the target speed of it to 5. So this should go. It's weird that it wipes the thing, the interface here. But basically, it looked for all the conveyor belts in this universe and set them all as it went. Oh, that corner's going to be a problem. Oh, okay. All right. I see there's like invisible walls. It's kind of nice. Speed this up a bit. All right. Oh, it looks like we got stuff in the corner there. Ah, we got the sort now. Yes. If conditionals. I've already bought it. I'm ahead of you, game. What's this? This is rangefinder. RFID tag. Oh, okay, cool. So this is a tag of a box. If I do this, it goes that way. If I do this, it goes negative that way. Okay, so based on this, we want boxes in the negative speed and barrels in the positive speed. Let's see. Conveyor belt, fine. Okay, so it already grabs the conveyor belt for us. It gets the scanner. Okay, so while it's running, get this thing. So I'll just use these comments that are already here, pre-existing. If the tag, if tag, no, it's going to be a different Egg. I've already forgotten the formatting for Python code. If egg equals box conveyor set speed to -2 for whatever this is. Else if egg equals barrel. Oops. That's not supposed to be there. Give this a bit more reading space. Conveyor belt. Set target speed 2. Else conveyor belt essentially turn off. All right, let's try that. Okay. Ah, here lies in the problem. Okay, so it's not picking it up. So this is use variable conveyor or whatever to control the entity conveyor belt. If okay. Add your code within this loop, mind the indentation. Yeah, okay. Use variable control, which we've already defined here. Scanner to control entity rangefinder. Yeah, okay. If tag is box, actually, what is this currently sitting at right now? Okay, distance 10. So let's do this. While scanner distance is greater than or equal to 10. No, that's tag scanner. Okay, get the tag. Else no tag. Okay, let's do the good old print is a box. Print is a barrel. Print is nothing. Reset it, run. It is nothing. Okay, so we gotta run this as a loop because it's gonna go run through this and then stop. It's only checking it once. While scanner.getDistance is greater than or equal to less than or equal to 10 or greater than 0, then do this. Get distance. Oh, it's probably because it gets it first. Enter dot. I make an oops. Yeah, let's get rid of this line. I think this is throwing things off. This is just me now normally programs like, uh-oh, this is not a good thing. Oops, that's not do. Unfortunately, I can't undo using shift tab to put everything back. There we go. This shift tab opens up the Steam overlay. Okay, so if we run this now. The barrel. Okay, so it's constantly checking. That's what we want to do. It's nothing. Okay, so get current speed takes. Oh, sorry. That's what it was. Set current speed. That was the problem. So the code broke. Solotl, hello. This is actual factual Python programming that I've already broken. Uh-oh. Okay, so conveyor belt object is no attribute set target speed. What the hell? Oh my god. Target speed. There we go. Spelling counts in programming. So while it's running, there's nothing there. I wish you could move this around. So now there's a barrel in the way. Now it's like, it's a barrel! Quick, set the speed to 2. There's nothing! Stop it. It's a box. Move the other way. It's a barrel. Punctuation is negotiable? Yeah. Except tabs. Tabs are an absolute must. Indentation is how you differentiate things. Alright. We did it. Troubleshoot some VBA the other day and so oh no. This is such a pain in the Yeah. Alright. Selection. Ooh. You'll need to know how to combine what you've learned from previous 2 tutorials by combining a for loop and an if conditional. Ooh. Drop off the box in front or behind of the conveyor belts. You may activate it at most 2 conveyor belts. Okay. So what do we got to work with? Oh, I know how to do this. Okay, so what we're going to do, and I'm going to sort of verbally explain. We're going to take all the scan for all the conveyor belts and check to see if it is transporting, which should return a 1 or a 0. If it is transporting, we're going to just push it to one side. If it's not, we're not going to do anything about it. So, want to indent. Does this teach Python? You got to know. This actually does a pretty decent job of teaching you some of the basics as you go along. All hail Avari, new cram poop, all log, may they rain. For conveyor belts in sim environment, or no, was it conveyor belt find all? So for all conveyor belts finding, oh, you know what I should do is conveyor belts all equals conveyor belts dot find all of them. So this will generate a list of all the ones that we need to find. So for we're not constantly scanning for them. So for every conveyor belt in conveyor belt all, if conveyor belt is what was it was conveyor belt. Ichigo, hello. Is transporting. Okay. Perks, no. If conveyor belt is transporting then conveyor belt set target speed as 2, else conveyor belt set target speed 0. You know what? To make this all, yeah, 2 is probably good. All right, let's see. Unexpected indent. Where? Oh, this has to indent because this is inside. Oh, this isn't. What? Oh, okay. This just needs to go back one. These all need to go back one. Oops. Expected. Ah, else and if. Forgot about that. Yep. All right, so it's gonna. Conveyor belt has no attribute. Is transporting. Do you mean get is train? Oh, okay. Yeah, a little bit of a. This is the method to get that information. Is transporting is the attribute. That's great. Okay, so this should now work. So it very quickly went through all of them, saw if it was transporting based on this. See how that changed because it's no longer doing it. All these other ones are set to 0. There we go. I'm also skipping by some of the stuff that would explain exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing a piss poor job trying to explain exactly what I'm doing. So I do apologize. I will try to slow down a bit so people can follow along. Philosophical one about coding? Sure, I'm all for it. Several machines available in the game. Move the box all the way to the digital scale and weigh it. The resulting weight into the input box. Oh, okay. Neat. Those rocket launchers? What the hell are these? Pusher robot. Oh. Heard people say that Sammy doesn't count as coding, and I don't get why. I think it's because of uh it's I think it's more of like a it's not really a language, it's more of an interface than anything. Because you're not typing in lines of code like you are here. A lot of it is just drag and drop. Which is to say, there are programming languages like that. I would say it's closer to an interpreter than anything. Because, I mean, Scratch is a language, but Scratch is also drag and drop. That might be. There's no difference between sentence with blocks and sentence with words. That's true. I think there's more flexibility with the non drag and drop blocks. But I get what you mean. Yeah, no, I don't know. Some people can be elitist with the programming stuff. Not me. I know I suck, and it's gonna be. I don't know. That has nothing to do with anything. All right, let's see what the code looks like. Okay, so it's gonna find conveyor belts. It's gonna find a specific conveyor belt, which is probably gonna be this one. Yep. And it's gonna set it to 3. Turnable conveyor belt. Ooh, okay. So it's gonna start that one, and then it's gonna turn it 90 degrees. That's neat. Okay. Movable platform is I'm assuming this guy here. It's going to find all pusher robots, which are these guys here. Oh, I could have done that. Okay. Pusher robot dot find all. That's what I was going to do. Large conveyor belt. Okay. So those are just pre-made sizes, so you can't just drag and drop those lengths. Okay. That's cool. Okay, robot arm. Pick up, set grabber location. Ooh, wow. Okay, so you have to be very precise to where things are going to be. That's interesting. In meters. Ooh, okay. So set the grabber location, turn on the conveyor belt. Release? First. Get the first so the first instance of a arm. Okay. But this set the relative location of the grabber endpoint in meters. So this doesn't look like it sets, like it will pick up from here where the grabber is, but it doesn't seem like it will drop it off at the conveyor. Like, you know what I mean? We'll have to see how we'll have to run the code and see how it goes. I guess a lot of it depends on. Okay, so that spins. That's neat. I'm just gonna pause for a second while I can track my thoughts. I think it comes down to coding. It might be trying to differentiate coding versus scripting, which I don't know if that is a huge difference, if anything. The person to talk to about this actually would be Superstore. Superstore, I would say, is the the local authority on this stuff, and I will do a shout out Superstore about this. The guy's a genius. He wrote his own gaming engine in Python, and then made his own game in Python. Okay, so let's see. That's gonna sleep for that. I'll get rid of this. Not working. Cool. Back to regular speed. So now it's waiting 15 seconds, I guess, to make sure that's on the platform. Now the platform moves. I'm gonna sleep for 8 seconds to make sure it arrives on time. And of course, there's Bandit, of course. Okay, pusher robot does that. Cool. This conveyor belt moves. Oh, I see. So this is the starting point, and then it picks it up and then moves it there. So that's the end point. So this is the start point. So it's going to pick up here in a couple seconds. Oh, it does it really quick. And it sleeps to make sure, for whatever reason, that's speed's, I guess, up to speed. Drops it off, and then it just gets teleported in here. Oh. Then I would type in weight, which is 52. Hooray. Interesting. This says energy. Hooray. Alright. 3 sorter. You need to move items of 3 different categories along its conveyor belts to their correct destination. Only the first item spawns automatically. After that, you need to decide when to spawn the next item using object spawner. Deliver 8 items to their corresponding destinations. Optional goals. Don't do any incorrect deliveries. There's a time limit? Hold on. I reset it? Okay, good. Okay. So... Okay. conveyor belt 4 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to write code for this now. Let's define some conveyor belts. We'll say conveyor belt barrel check equals conveyor belt find conveyor belt 4. Oh, equals conveyor belt dot belt 1. Oh, okay. So, yeah, okay. That makes more sense. Find belt 1. Conveyor belts. Because the rest of these we can have moving constantly. Because they're just moving into areas. But we want this one, conveyor belt. Box. Cone. Check. These are the ones that we have to start switching back and forth. So, conveyor belts. Find belt 4, right? So, what we can do is we'll just go conveyor belt. Write your first 10 lines of code. Nice. Movers equals list of conveyor belts. Find 3, 2, 0, 0. Conveyor belts. Find belt 2. Conveyor belts. Find belt 3. All right. So we can do for conveyor belts in conveyor belt movers. Conveyor belt set target speed. We'll say to 3. Actually, we should probably do it outside the loop because we only need to do it once. That's silly. So now we need scanners. This is rangefinder scan 0. So if rangefinder find and 0, do that. If scanner 0, what was the property of it? Get RFID tag. RF tag. That's what it was, right? RFID underscore tag. If that equals barrel, then we want this to run negative speed. Their barrel check. Set target speed to 4. And we'll have it sleep for 3 seconds. We'll do it for 5 seconds to make sure it reaches the other thing. And else. So if it's not, if it scans it and it's not a barrel, then it's just going to go to the other direction. Air belt, barrel check, set, target speed, to -5. Sleep, 5 seconds. And after all that, air belt, barrel check, set target speed to 0. Let's just see if this works first. Nope. What was never closed? Ah. That'll do it. So it should turn on all the moving ones. It's moving that the wrong direction. Alright. So we need to set this to -4 and +4. Actually, I'll put another while. You know, before we do that, let's just take a look at how the spool goes. Let's reset this run. But what's the distance that we need to start worrying about detecting it? Okay, so if scanner 0 get distance, so if that number is less than or equal to 2.6, then start doing all this stuff. Otherwise, turn it off. Okay, so this should... Oh, it's ran away. Okay, let's just keep going until we have a barrel, because that's what we... It's not... Oh, and I have to click run. So once it gets close enough, then it turns that on. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Okay, so now we just need to make one for this one. Let's see. Stop. Copy. If we need to also define scanner. Where's the car horn coming from? Range finder. Find. Scan 1. So this will be the one in the back. If scanner 1 distance is less than that, if it is, was it cone? Is that what this is? Cone zone. I see. If it's a cone, no, if it's a box, we want conveyor belt. Is it box cone check? It's not. It's box cone check. Cone check. Box cone check. This is not a great line. This is not a great code. We also want to define up here object spawner find, or no, we want object spawn. Or, what is it called? Where is it? What's its name? Oh. Then we just want object spawn. Spawn. Oh, I might not need to do that. I can just do this. I can just do object spawner dot spawn. No? Alright, let's get rid of that. Let's see if it's going to throw any problems at us. With the world. Run. Imagine this but shapes. Oh god. Objects spawner dot spawn missing one acquired self. Oh. Self dot. Or is it sim environment dot object spawner? Yeah, I think it's not objects. Let's see if it's going to read this properly. I have a funny feeling it won't. Yeah, no, because it's not reading it right. Okay. Time for nested loops. While true. Don't do this at home, kids. And I don't think I can do... This doesn't make sense. This will never escape properly. Yeah. Oh, I actually have lines of code I max out at. Interesting. If scanner, if scanner. I mean, this should work now. Object, okay, so it's still the spawner being a problem. Okay, let me just trash your stream on survey. It's okay though, because I put slow optional username. Awesome. The graphics are surprisingly good on this one. Imagine special. Yeah, I played the demo for Shapes 2, and it's weird. I don't know if I like it. Because it's they throw the like the second layer right at you right at the very beginning, and then the way they do the cutting and splitting and stacking is completely different. I say completely different. It's very similar, but it's not how it used to be. Oh, it's just called spawner. No wonder I couldn't find it. Okay. Object. Spawner dot find spawner dot spawn. Oops. Do it all in one go. All right, run the code, reset it. Shut the world, run it. How dare they change it? I can see what they're going for. The demo is, uh-oh. No, we're not ready, we're not ready. Stop the code. Uh. Let's do sleep 20, then do it. All right. Reset it. Your code is 31 lines of... No, not 31 lines of code. I get rid of. Yeah, I can get rid of this. In... We just get rid of this. We go copy. Get out of here. And we just put it in here. There you go. One less line and it does exactly the same thing. Efficiency. Easy, just put it all... Yeah, one super long... Uh-oh. What range is this? It's a box. Why aren't you sending it? What's wrong with you? Barrel check. It's sleeping for 5 seconds. Okay. Why did it not? Oh. Delete all the eternity. Falls down. It's not setting the target speed. Why is it not doing that? Oh, I know why. It's because it's doing a check, but it's not. Okay. If it okay, so that should be a constant loop. All right, I need to think about how to do this. I need to make a loop inside of this because this is like always going to be running. I need for it to wait until the next one is added. I don't want to wait until one of them's added to here because I think that's going to take too long. Sleeping 20 is too much. Yeah, because if I run it right away. Okay, interesting. Okay. Main loop. Commands back. Okay. I don't need current time. Get out of here. I need those lines of code. I care not for runtimes. I mean, I care about runtime, but I don't care about time it is at the thing. What coding language have I worked on before? In college, I worked with C#, Java, JavaScript, which is very different. I don't know if HTML counts as a coding language. There's some mixed opinions about that. PHP, which I also... there's very strong mixed things about that. A few, but I end up struggling with how to learn to look at. So yeah, so the thing is, I mean, I've also worked with C++ in the past. Once you learn the concepts, the main concepts of programming, a lot of the languages do open up to you that it just comes down to syntax, but everything else sort of works the way some of it should. Like Java and C#, and I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, are sometimes interchangeable with how it works logically. Like the only reason why C# exists is because Oracle wanted to license Java a certain way. So C# is Microsoft Java essentially. Oh, Twitch froze. Oh no. Python is probably the easiest of them all to learn, because this is what it is. Like it's very easy to read. It's very, I do a terrible naming convention job, but like it's not, you don't need to make sure you have semicolons here. You don't have to make sure your brackets are fine. As long as everything's indented and like there's probably, again, I'm not the person to ask about this, but yeah, it's, the concepts are interchangeable with pretty much any language as long as it's updated. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So I run this. Okay, so I think I know how I have to do this. Don't you should explain the concept? Oh no, yeah, no, that's no good. Um, oh, I know how to do this. Okay. So we're gonna do nested if statements, which is not a good thing. I mean, this is already, when you, there's a concept you learn called, oh my god, I forget what it's called, but it's the efficiency of a piece of code based on, I think it's big O notation. It's based on how many times the code has to go through itself. Big O, yeah, wire, yeah, okay, thank you. It's a lot of the things you don't want to do is nest loops as many times, because if you have a loop that's supposed to go 3 times, and then you have a loop that's supposed to go 5 times, and you put the 5 loop in the 3 loop, you're running that interior code 15 times. Like it's, you gotta be like, you gotta be careful about stuff like that. And I'm absolutely not following any big O notation here. I'm getting the job done. I don't care how. That's how we're doing it here. And I'm not gonna. There's been meme stuff I've seen on Twitter, like negative if, which is ifant, which is not a thing, which I think Wyra posted in the Discord. I thought it was hilarious, but also like, good god. Um, okay, so this is dealing with it if it's a barrel, and the rest of it's gonna take care of it. Otherwise, if it's not a barrel, actually, we could do all, instead of, see, I was trying to break it down by conveyor belt, thinking it's only 2 checks we have to do, which is still technically true. We can just turn this into, I was gonna think like an else if, but I think that's too many. Yeah, if, else, because then that, I just feel like that's too many. But maybe not. Maybe not. Let's try it. Let's give it a shot. If the scanner says it's a barrel, then it goes over here for 5 seconds, and then turns off. Well, you know what? Let's see what perks. Can we have higher? Please, sir, can we have some more lines of code? Yes, we can. Okay, we just bought more lines of code. Okay, we're good. There's no requirements, right? No. Okay, good. Okay, that's fine. So that will take care of that. Else if scanner dot 0 get RFID tag equals box or own, then See, I'm already seeing where I'm going to be having duplicate lines of code I'm trying to get rid of. So else, honestly, the else can stay here. And then sleep it for 5 seconds. So it'll do that, and then reset it to off. So we can expand here because now the object's gonna be over here. If scanner 1 dot get distance. We'll copy paste this and just change this to 1. Be while scanner dot 1 get distances greater than 2.6. Oh no, let's do that. Let's do if it's less than let's see, to be honest, you could probably do infinite by basing it off like some not being true. That's true, yeah. I mean, Python is nice enough that you can go if not scanner distance, so you can just reverse it that way. And then grammatically in an English language, ifint is technically the shortened form of that. But don't know syntax be right for the it's because apostrophes, like even if it's just like you'd have to define it somewhere, but I at least in Python I don't know of a way to actually do that without creating a new interpreter for it. If X then nothing else. Yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to squeeze in the code for here in the else, and I don't know I can do it. Maybe I can. Okay. Else. And I can check while scanner dot 1 get distance is not equal to, I think 10 is the range, the far range. Yeah. Then we can do this again. Oops, that's it. Which is not, this is not good either. We'll go, so barrel will go this way, so we want, if it's box, then we want to go conveyor belt, box, cone check. Box, cone check. If scan 1 gets distance is greater than this, then... Oh, no, we don't need this. That's fine. And then... box, cone check. Okay. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's just try and run it. Unexpected indentation after if line on line 26. Yeah, wait, what is this? If... Oh, no, I don't need this. That's not supposed to be there. Okay, so then this will come back out here. So it'll run these two commands and then sleep it afterwards. It's going to do that anyway. Unexpected. Oh. Yep. All right. So it's reading it. Goes into the distance. Runs it for 5 seconds. Tucks it on. Okay. Give it something else. Okay, so it's where it's looping is not right. Yeah, I guess I could just... I don't like to duplicate as where if I can help it, but I'll do this. I'll do... That'll be done. I can move on. Actually, we could still get rid of that. That there, so then we have to shift all of this over, so it's still in the else. And then put this back in here. That all lines up. So if it's not a barrel, it'll be a cone or a box, and then it's going to deal with all that box stuff. Okay. Your command will be the same calling of the function. I think I have to unlock functionality in this. This should work now, though. No, keep going. You're fine. You're good. What are you getting hung up on? Okay. Is less than or equal to 10, maybe? Functions are... Yeah, functions are a lot of fun. Okay, so we know this is not going to be barrel, so it's going to throw it to the else. Less than or equal to 10. Okay, so now I think it's going to get stuck into this loop here. And now it's putting it away properly. But now it's stuck in this while loop. It's not good. I should probably add just a wait or a sleep. Do for 10 seconds. We'll try to... I can't shift tab. Okay. So hopefully that should be enough to get that conveyor belt to the end. That item to the end. So the cone, this is another good test. That's an object. The next object, a salamander? Okay, you got it. Did it not sleep? I don't get it. What happened? I look away for a second. Access it? No, salamanders. Is that directly to... Okay, so that's just not long enough. We'll do it by 20. And then once this is done, we'll do object spawner find spawner spawn. Why is it jumping to that right away? See, now it's reading it. It's like it's not reading it quick enough. Sleep. Give it sleep for 5 seconds. Reset the world. Run. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, if... Alright. Can I unlock... Ooh, lambda functions. Ooh, class declarations. Try, accept. Define functions, methods. Yep. Class, yep. Tuples. Ugh. Alright. So, now that we have that enabled, port clear. Script 2. Oh. That's nice. Oh, there's debug. You can add stops. Nice. Okay. Cool. Stop. Okay. Reset the world. I don't know why I'm already stuck on this level. Debug is so good. Also, I'm gonna kick these up to 5. Or is it? Set target speed to 5. No one's got time for that. While it's running, we want to constantly be checking the scanner. And then if it's not if it's a barrel, then we don't care. It can go back over there. Can't read code on mobile, so I'm no. Entertain. I'm glad. As long as it's entertaining. That's all I care about. If yeah, let's just try running this again. Because if the sorting works, then I'm happy. Also, I gotta see at what point. Oh, that sucks. Okay, I wonder if it's... That's just a badly placed box. Gotta stop making this game look fun, though. Yeah, no, that's fair. Okay, so it's waiting. Oh no. Okay, so it did one of them. See, now I'm wondering if I have to keep track of the zones and if it goes off by, if it increases, then it moves on to the next one. But that's like async stuff, which I don't think is here. You know what? Here we go. Welcome to programming. If you've ever heard the woodworking term "measure twice, cut once," the software development version of that is cut early, cut often, or something. All right. Just gonna reduce this. All right. So it starts with 1. So we're not going to check it. So we're not going to spawn thing right at the beginning. We're going to spawn it at the end of it. If scanner 0 dot get distance less than or equal to 2.6, we're going to check to see if ID tag get RFID tag barrel. If it's a barrel, we set conveyor belt barrel, set target speed to 4. I think it was. I'll do 5, whatever. Oh, I'm a dumbass. I could do while loops and then escape it. God damn it. All right, so let's let's get back what we had, because I think I can fix it now. This is not something it's taught so far. This is purely because I know how to fucking break shit. All right, let's, yeah, we're saying that to 5. That's fine. If it's a barrel, yeah. If it's not a barrel, check over there. While scanner 1 is less than or equal to 10. If that is that, and that, break. All right, this should work. I was waiting to check for this one. That starts off the whole thing. It knows how to go there, so it's going to set it off here, sleep for 5 seconds, and stop again. So now we can go over here. We'll go while scanner distance is greater than 2.6. It'll scan it. Oh no. Less than thing. Then we go if scanner 0 dot get distance less than equal to 2.6. This should be 10. And then all this goes over 1 more. This is bad. This is not good. And then break, which should kick it out of that. And then object spawner, find spawner, spawn. All right, this should technically work now. If we do this, starting from the beginning. Oops. What? Uh-oh. I clicked the wrong thing. Probably works if I do this. And then run. If this is a barrel, move it over. Type enter rangefinder. Get distance, get distance. Line 27. Oh. Scanner dot get distance. Oops. Okay. Let's reset this. It handled the barrel. Moving it all along. It's going to move along for 5 seconds. And turn it off. And it's going to start the next one. So here comes the box. It's going to say, "The hell are you? You're not a barrel. Get out of here. Go over here." Now it's scanning and it's checking for this situation over here. And it's going to be like, "Hey, you're a box. You should go in this direction for 5 seconds." And then you explode. Yeah. You're going to sleep for 5 seconds and turn everything off, which is probably not needed. And it's going to spawn the next thing. Hell yeah, it fucking works. Excuse the expletives. Sometimes programming be like that. And then it be like this. Why you be like this? Alright. I think this is going to need... So the problem is you get a situation like this where it detects it. So we're going to have to actually make this into... Melty Sweep? Oh yeah, that's right. There's actually a Melty Sweep emote now. Except it's not quite a sweep yet. No, I don't want to do that. Can I turn this off temporarily? Seem overly well in game. Nice, okay. Shortcut overlay key. Shift tilde. There we go. I don't think I'm going to be running into shift tilde anytime soon. If I do this, can I do this again? Yes! Okay, thank God. Alright. And we'll say this sleep for 10 seconds. I'll do that. So just chooses a direction and then goes. So this should prevent it from getting stuck like that. So let's reset the world. I'll run it. speed. So it sees that it's a cone, and it does... Ah, shit. Alright, we just need to extend the time. That's all. Stop. Run for 20 seconds. Reset the world, and run it. You're a barrel. You go to the barrel side. You're a box. Go to the box side. No, why? Okay, we're gonna add a stop here. This is how you debug software, for those who don't know. You add stops, so when the software, or when the program gets to that point, you can hover over stuff, or you can even see what the current variables are, and then test it based on that. So now we know that it has oh, you know what? I just realized it's... we can have it set, because conveyor belts have that... well, not the feature, but the... Actually, technically, we could read what it is here and just deal with it right away, sort of. Not really, actually, when you think of it, because we have to stop and then start and stop and start. Because what if we got blocks now? Yeah. Just go over it, get rid of that stop. Or we just luck out and we just get all cones. Finish all deliveries in less than, what, 2 minutes? See, it's not... I'm not done. I fucked up. Retry. Okay. My code gone? No, okay, good. It's still here. Alright. I think I might wipe out what this is. Because I don't think it's... I'm going to avoid writing a function for now, because... Okay. So at the end, we want to spawn the next one. So this will be... if scanner 0 dot get RFID tag equals barrel. Then we'll do stuff here. Barrel. Else if both detect not detect at once. I mean, it can. I'm now creating a situation where like it can only run one line of code at a time. See, I'm now thinking I could do this with a single scanner. Else if scanner get RFID tag equals box else for cone. Okay. So if it's a barrel, then I want to set conveyor belt barrel check. Sets target speed to, was it 5? Was it 4? Then sleep 5 seconds. Actually, I should put that sleep in, do this, I should do conveyor belt box barrel check dot set target speed 0. Conveyor belt, sort of just a reset point. Okay, so on the box, we want to set conveyor belts, box check, barrel check, set target speed to -4. I guess I can do else, and then if that way I don't have to duplicate code. If this, and then this is all box stuff, and then this is still all cone stuff. Set box cone check to 4. For those who want to know what the, it's probably obvious at this point. If not, the green, the hashtag, and then the green text is comments, and the programming interpreter does not, or the compiler does not read that as actual code. So I can put whatever I want there. Target speed. Sleep. Sleep 10, maybe. Sleep 10. This probably won't work. It's too simple. There's no way. Yeah, because it's already sleeping 10. Why is it already... No. Something's already wrong. Okay. Oh, you know why? It's yeah, it's a coding problem. I have to reverse these. That's all. Overthought it so much. Yeah. Okay, so it's... This needs to sleep for another 5 seconds to make sure those stop. This needs to sleep for 20 seconds. I'm never going to get this finish all deliveries in that certain amount of time. Wait, why did it... I see. Because instead of it turning on when it gets there, it okay. This needs to go to 10. I mean, this is technically going the right way. It worked. See, now why isn't it picking up this side? Oh, because I'm a dumbass, because this is... Box, cone, check. Alright. Reset. Run. Why didn't that read as a barrel? Okay, that's right. Box is read correctly. On a barrel. Okay. It's just not reading it as a barrel. Why? Oh, it is. It sets it to 0. That's fine. That's good. Another barrel. Why is it... Oh, okay. I think I know what it is. Is it spawns in and it needs like a second in order to read what it is again before it starts up. Alright. There we go. Just little buffer time. That's not right. That was almost good. Okay, so I think I just have to update the because I want to get at least the one about incorrect that's not right. Okay, like how was like the water phone sting. Okay, let's see. So something went wrong. I forget how fast. They can only go up to 5, unfortunately. Okay. I don't know what happened there. I think speeding up the simulation is screwing it up. I think I just have to watch it in real time. Because somehow the simulation is screwing it up. See, like, I'm already at halfway point. I've only delivered 3 of the 8 items. I can't make it go any faster than that. I'd have to spawn them quicker. Which I guess I could. Hold on. I have them sleeping at for 20 seconds. I could shave that down maybe to 17 seconds. And sleep for 3. Reset it and run. Up new items as soon as the barrel go into the one conveyor. Well, that's what this is sort of designed with in mind. Like, this will... Oh, I guess I don't need to wait 10 seconds, huh? I can also shave this down to, like, 7. Oh, these are trigger zones. On trigger, so that's an event. And then I could... Oh, okay. So instead of doing everything by timer, I could do it based on event, but technically it hasn't taught me about events yet. I'm not going to fast forward. Why is this not... Okay. Yeah, okay, we'll do events. Get out of here. Target speed. Yeah, we'll write a small little thing. Reset. Or next item. Barrel check, set, target speed 0. Air belt. Ox cone check, set, target speed 0. Over object spawner. Find. Spawner. Spawn. Sleep 1. Alright, so do this on trigger zone. Find barrel zone. On triggered. Next item. Don't need to sleep anymore. This is the box zone. Don't need to sleep anymore. This is the cone zone. All right. That's probably the cleanest we're going to get this. If this works. This might also be the quickest we do it. Oh, come on. What was that? Calling bullshit right now. So we're just launching these at Mach speed. Why did it do that? Why did it reverse? If scanner... Okay, well, okay, in this case, I think we can do this then. Else if... else setting that speed, barrel check to that direction. If it's box... See, I don't know why that changed midway through. That doesn't make any sense. See, the problem is, as much as the Python code should technically work, I'm also fighting the simulator, because why did it turn into a cone? Why is it being triggered? But 3 were given? Okay, hold on. Hold your horses. What the hell's going on here? Stop. Untriggered. Handle overlap. Oh. Event called when something enters, overlaps, or exits the zone. What? Oh no, I've forgotten how event handlers work. No. Okay. It's T, sim time, trig data. Alright. That's fine. I can fix that. Now how we fix that? We give it T, what was it? Sim time, trig data. Trig data. And we just ignore it. We don't do anything with that data. Huh. Why? What is this? Find cone zone, yeah. Handle overlap. That's advanced. We don't... I thought we were good. I thought we had something. You know what? Opens your browser so show a solution with the full explanation in the current level. I'm kind of tempted. Because I thought we were able to do this, but I guess not. Because trigger zone... overlaps. Get all entities currently overlapping this trigger zone. On triggered. I mean, it is. But having the zone, like, it'd be nice if we could detect when something goes in here. Oh, you know what? This one, while this is belt 2. There, belt. Not find. Belt 2. But yet is current. While it's currently transporting. I don't know. Do nothing. Link. I forget what the. It's not break. Delivering. Barrel. If. Oh, yeah, here, how is this? Yeah. So it's just going to hold there. If not, ifn't. Then break. And. Self. Dot. No, I should be able to just call next item, right? Next item. With no data, because I'm not doing this anymore. Can't sensors give proximity feedback instead? They can. That's what I had originally. Do you have to use while statements for this puzzle? I don't. Well, this one does while it's running main. I could go back to scanner distance. But like that's only good for here, and then I have to wait for it to go off. You know, I'm gonna try my way with this. Let's try it. Oh, indentation of break. Why? Oh. It's because it's not... Because there's nothing to... Okay. Oh, you're right. Okay. Set target speed. If... While... Scanner dot 0 dot get distance is greater than or equal to 1.6. Oh, it's weight, not a weight. There's a keyword that you can use in Python just to do nothing. Python keyword pass. That's what it is. Pass. Anyway, trying to understand how it works. Yeah, no, that's fair. I'm doing a terrible job of doing this. Like I should have moved on like by now. I haven't done programming in I don't know how long, and especially Python. I've just been doing Just minor scripting here or there. But I mean, as far as programming interpreters in games go, this is the best one I've seen so far. It's significantly better than any of the other ones I've ever seen, because this is the closest you can get to actual Python. It is actual Python, but it's like I could be working in PyCharm or something. Yeah, it's straight up ID, exactly. While scanner, get distance is greater than 6 pass. I'm gonna look at the solution. I don't care. I want to see what the code is. I'm curious more than anything. Okay, so it's a YouTube video. Interesting.
So we're moving boxes and cones.
Okay, so okay. So the way that he breaks it down is checking for the item, checking if it's a box, and then checking to see if the belts are still transporting. Oh, and then it's oh, I see. Then he just states what time things respond in at. Okay, so I guess we were sort of getting close to it. I just want to refine it. We technically did complete it. It did work. It was messy as hell, and I didn't like it. But let's see. Let's do this. Sort of to borrow from his idea, which is having I wish I could make this a little bit shorter. While conveyor belt barrel check dot is, or get is transporting, or conveyor belts find, this one's called belt 2 dot is transporting. So if either of them are transporting, leave it, then run next item. Okay, let's see. I guess I could also do, what's this one? Or just adding to this, or convey. You know what? Let's define all of them. And we're gonna rename all the things. Conveyor belt input equals conveyor belt find belt 0. I'm mixing camel case and underscore naming conventions. Ugh, it's terrible. Absolute shit. This could be this one. Conveyor belt barrel out equals conveyor belts dot find, I think it's belt 2. belt 2. Call it first check. I'll call it second check. Call belt 3. I'll keep things organized. Box cone out. Belt 3. All right. We can rewrite these as input, conveyor belts, barrel out, conveyor belts, box cone out, which is this one here. Barrel first check is targets be that. First check is transporting, and or barrel out is transporting, or the input is transporting. It is transporting. Then keep going until they all finish. Then spawn the next item. Barrel check. Oh, where's barrel check? Where's it? Oh. First check. First check. Ugh. Like other IDEs, it has that same problem. I love it. Right. Barrel check is not defined. Where is barrel check? Oh, barrel out. Cone out. No, that's fine. First check. Barrel out. Oh. First check. Box cone check. Box cone. Oh, second check. Second check. What was it? Second check. Second check. There we go. All right. Now run. Where is it reading cone? You know what? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Print scanner.1.get RFID tag. We're just gonna print what it is. It's gonna be I see why don't you let me do this? Copy. Okay, let's rerun this. Invalid. Oh no. Oh, no, it's sorry, that's not right. It's there it is. Oh, it doesn't need it? Oh, because I think that's C#. That's not good. I see a blank. Oh, great. Thanks. When none of those are doing anything, starts the next item off. Okay, so that works. It's very haphazard, but it works. Dot string. Maybe that'll see it. All right. Copy. While first check is transporting and box cone out and second check is transporting. Okay, so I can just do copy. Oh. Yeah, I know. I didn't see a code. You see a code. I see a code. All right, let's try it again. It doesn't have. Okay. Also, I realized I called it as a thing. It should. I think it's just that. Okay. Run. No, it still doesn't like it. Fine. But this outputs it as a string, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Well, I was trying to be fancy with it, but if it's not going to let me do it like that, I'll do the way it tells me I have to. All right. Run that code. I see a box. I see a nothing. A box. Okay, we lucked out on this one. I see a box. Uh-oh. Why is it spying 3 of them at once? This is not good. Why? Why did it do it like that? I think there's got to be, it needs a delay. It needs a delay in there. I think the delay needs to be longer. All right, let's try this again. Why is it jumping immediately to that? Well, first check is transporting, or box cone out is transporting, or second check is transporting. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Well, input dot is transporting, or so if any of these are transporting, don't do anything. Don't you do. Not one bit. All right. So that should prevent it from trying to kick out early. We should be actually fine if we do this. Nope. What happened? That's not a coat. You see a coat, you saw nothing. If you see a barrel. Okay, how this? Else if scanner 0 get RFID tag. And I might as well just do the whole thing like this. First check or phone. So it shouldn't do anything if it sees nothing now. Invalid syntax. What? Alice is fine. What the hell is wrong with you? What's up? What's the problem? Run the code. 39? Oh. There we go. That was the problem. Indexing. Always fun. Name a variable corn to... Oh yeah, you know what I forgot to do? Instead of next item, it'll be salamander. So at the end of every loop, salamander. Salamander. Name a variable corn to decrease the readability of all these cones. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this runs. Scanner, RFID. Not assigned a function to call here. Oh, yeah. It's double that. See a box. Okay, that's another box. Another box. No way that was done already. We're doing this again. And go. It's taking compile time into this. That's bullshit. It's a barrel. That's the cone. That's the barrel. It's the box. That's a cone. Box. Oh, we were so close. No! Oh, it doesn't count as incorrect. Hey. Technically works. Jeez. Wow. Okay. Leaderboards. What? I'm not submitting my score. Are you crazy? All right, let's move on to the next one. What is this? The movable platform. Move the barrel to drop it off in the big dumpster. You can solve this level with code or manually by hand. Oh. Attach entities? It was a code show. Oh, I see. The target location move. Platform. Bot. Attach entities. Platform. Move. Not get is moving, I guess. Set target location. Maybe to 5, 2. Oh. Wait, why would you... I want to see the... Oh, okay. I don't like this. I think this is still a little bit rough around the edges. I don't know how to get this back. I want to see... Oh, there it is. Okay. X, Z. Okay. So did... Oh, Z is... Okay. I'm... 4... we're just gonna say not right now. Let's reset. So let's go -2. Okay, so it's... This is negative, this is positive. Okay, well, let's also fill that. Channel point redemption. We need to move the corn platform. And then corn dot set target rotation -50 0 0, and then corn detach a release. Okay, so let's do that. Yay! Earn 10 stars. Solve a level better than 90% of the other solutions created so far. Nice. Okay. That's odd. Robot arm. Set grabber location. I don't know. What was it? 3, 3, 5. Oh no, it was -3, -3, 5. -3, -0. All right, let's that. Where does this go? I can't get locations. Okay, actually, you know what? Is that a thing? Oh, yields. Oh, I like yields. Network rate. Wow. Wow. What? Oh my god. What the hell? Oh, this is too funny. Oh, multi-threading. Shit. Numpy. Hello. Oh, pandas. Oh shit. Oh damn. I need to tell Superstore about this game. This is too funny. Holy shit. Daytime interlude. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Do this up as much as we can. This is quite funny. Okay. Let's yeah, let's go random. Let's yes. Arm dot set grabber location. X is forward, Y is right. So actually 1 meter to the left. Two. Two. One. What? Takes 2 positional arguments. Okay, why would you do that? Okay. But 4 were given? Oh, because it's okay. It's not parameters, it's a list. You can tell it's a list because of the square brackets. Aha. Okay, let's write that code then. Arm dot pick up. Arm set grabber location. 333. Why did you just ignore that one? That's rude. Why are you ignoring it? Oh, you know what? I bet I have to let it sleep. Yep, that's exactly it. Weird how that has to be. That's what? Huh. I thought I had this down. I thought it worked. Okay. Well, just 3, 7, 8 for 5. Oh, okay. So I just had the wrong thing programmed in. Cool. What arm setter? What? Why would you give me the broken version of this? Not in a list. You ask for a list. Don't give me a list. I need to set this to 1. And then sleep for 2 seconds. Arm, thought, release. Yeah. Reset it. Hopefully this works. I think I might call it there because I gotta take care of some other stuff today. But I might play more of this sharing my screen over on the Discord. Or I might stream this again. All level better than 95% of the other solutions created so far. Nice. Triangulation. Oh no. Okay, well, I gotta do this one last one. This one looks really neat. Pick up the barrel and drop it off into the big dumpster. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Current location. Pick up the barrel and drop. Oh my god. This okay. This is a lot more than I thought. So maybe what we'll do is we'll what's weekly task? Hurdles. Oh my god, you got a program running into these. Oh my goodness. Oops. Okay. Well, I guess that was it. Oh. Stop programming. Oh. I'll put on board. This is my house. There's more game to this game. Who knew? Hello world, words to Melchett. You've completed all its tutorials. All understanding basic syntax. Okay, cool. Put on board. Oh. Oh, okay. I can just go outside. You contemplate the nice weather. Maybe you should go for a walk instead of programming all day. Continue walking to exit game. Oh my god. I love this. This is so funny. What the hell? Penny farthing bike. Okay. Oh. Go for a ride on your perfectly ordinary bicycle. Exits the game. This is funny. I love this game. Holy shit. Oh, I'm not allowed in this room. Oh. That's just a floating clock. I wonder if does more of the house get unpacked as you progress? If I program someone to unpack the house. Less screen tearing though. I don't know if that's just... Oh, you can zoom in. Let's go for a bike ride and land the game there. And the stream there. Too funny. Oh, nice entryway. Very nice. We're going for a bike ride though. You can't not give me a bike ride or bike and not go riding on it. Ride your bike. Go for... Oh, it was an achievement. Oh, I love it. Well, that was a fun game. I think if you're interested in programming, this is a pretty decent way to take a look at it. It does familiarize you with concepts without it being overly hand holding. It does have tutorials and it does have solutions that you can look at. And the I don't know if it's the developer. It's probably the developer. Um, like has like these videos where they sit through they walk you through it, and it's like it's a pretty decent... I'd say if you want to learn Python, this is might be one of the better ways to do it. Um, if you want to gamify it, I guess. Uh, at the time of stream, until I guess the 6th of February, it's 15% off. It's called The Joy of Programming Software Engineering Simulator. It's on Steam. I think there's a lot of potential to this. I think I need to severely practice on my own. And I absolutely, definitely need to get Superstore in on this. But yeah, I think that's about it. Don't... Is anyone else streaming this? No, just me. That's fine. That's fair. I guess at the end is another time to shout out information. I'm back. My hiatus is sort of done for January because it's now February, and next week I'm going to be getting back into Resident Evil 5 on Tuesday nights with Nate. I am going to be finishing Pikmin 3. I'm going to attempt to finish Case of the Golden Idol because I want to finish that because I've realized I picked up the DLC for it and I never got around to it, so I'm going to finish that up. Plus the 22nd, there's 2 games coming out. There's Nightingale, which is a MMO survival adventure one that I've been really waiting for. I've been trying to get into the beta for the longest time. Couldn't get into it. And by couldn't get into it, I just wasn't selected. It was a closed beta. The other one is Pacific Drive, which is you're driving along a weird hellscape, and you're you're surviving in a station wagon that you have to upgrade. So it's like I am all for vehicle survival games. So here's another one. I think that'll be it. It's just gonna be trying to finish up some old games, maybe trying those 2 new games other than the game today. But mostly it's gonna be just finishing up stuff. I don't know when these other streams are going to be happening. The only one that's been sort of scheduled has been the Resident Evil 5 on Tuesday nights, but everything else will probably be here or there, maybe on a weekend, maybe during the day. It more than likely might be during the day, but yeah, I think that's about it. And I'm going to be very bad, and I'm just going to end the stream here. I'm not going to read anyone because I don't recognize anyone else online. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone has a good rest of their day. And as always, I'll see you when I